This might just be the most ideal project car, and no, it's not an MX-5. Come on. But that would be the obvious choice, right? But that's exactly why it's not an MX-5. A project car should be different, in my opinion. In fact, this is a BMW. And actually, it's sort of two BMWs. Now, hear me out. This is, in fact, my 1999 BMW Z3, powered by the 1.9 litre. That makes it the narrow body pre-facelift, in my opinion, a slightly prettier car. But why did I say it's two BMWs? Well, actually, the front of it, pretty much the same as an E36 underneath. And at the back, we've got the older E30. So there should be plenty of parts available, even if we've got to sort of split some coilover kits and things out, but more on that later. I want to show you what I've already done to this car because it's clearly not standard. Wrong side. Alright, so power. One of the things that I haven't really tinkered with yet on this car, apart from removing the stock airbox and kind of awful intake system that it has. We've got a new radiator. Super clean. Now, this hasn't even been repainted. It's just really clean. Pretty happy with it. We've got K&N. Definitely needs re-oiling. And we've got a cold air feed using this flexi here. Comes all the way down to here, and we've opened up the grille at the bottom with honeycomb to let that air through. I used to have eBay coilovers on it. They're gone, and they've been replaced with Vogland. There's not a lot to see up at the top. We've not got adjustable plates. That's something that we can look into. We've got these BBS style wheels now. I know they're not real. Maybe they should be. Let's just see how we get on. And we are running Proxy Sports from Toyo. They're pretty much brand new as well, with 7.5s on the front, and we got 8.5 inch on the rear, giving us a bit of a deeper dish there. Again, we've got Vogland coilovers at the back. Swap the mirrors out because every Z3's mirrors break for these Formula style mirrors, although I need to kind of fill this in. But this car is garage kept. It doesn't see the rain outside, hence the condition. It's really clean. It has got a slight ceramic coat on it as well that'll need updating into this year with a full paint correction. So that brings us back to the engine. Now, the obvious is to say, well, just leave it how it is. That's how it came. Oh, just look after it. No. We need noise. Okay, we've got induction noise. It actually has an aftermarket exhaust on it, so that makes it louder as well, and it's fun. But I want more power and more noise. The options that I'm thinking at the moment are we could do a bigger BMW swap, but then if you're going to do that, you might as well just sell the car and buy the one with the bigger engine, the 2.8, the 3, or even an M. Big money though. Imagine a coupe. Ooh. Okay, anyway, back to this. So I'm thinking throttle bodies, like M3 touring car style sound. We could properly crank some power out of this using ITBs. You're going to get that awesome trumpet note. Just run them open as well using a standalone ECU. Now that's possible, right? That's one way of doing this, and it would be a little bit more true to BMW and the race cars of the previous era to this. Now the wild card, okay? Are you ready for this? The wild card. What if we stick a 13B in this? Like a Mazda Rotary 13B. And turn this into probably one of the most bonkers BMW Z3s out there. Are you with me? Let me know what you think I should do there. But for now, I've just got to kind of get this car ready to take to a very cold Cars and Coffee tomorrow. too far there. Oh. There's a whole freezer. Oh, freezer. Just there. The whole thing tipped. Right, that's it. Easy. I'm not going to plug the charger back in because we're going straight out in this first thing in the morning. So that's it. Done really simple.